Here it comes very securely packaged and protected. So here we have this beautiful brass mirror. You could see it's fully adjustable. You could tilt it whatever works best for you. One side of the mirror is a 5-time magnification and the other side is a normal mirror. This is just a absolutely beautiful piece. It also has a built-in light to it as well, but also included in your kit is a USB cord, because what's so great about this mirror is there's no wires or nothing to plug in. You can simply charge it and it works wirelessly for approximately 2 weeks with normal use. And it also comes with 3 screws and wall anchors to mount it to your wall. And it also comes with the sealant fix, which will allow you to apply it to glass, marble, tile, and not ruin your walls and easily remove it when you're done. So overall, this is a beautiful, high quality mirror with a lot of great features and would make the perfect addition to any bathroom.